them cherries, all them berries. Got that red, blue, wonder berry. Milky Way and they with Mary. We stay blazing with First Lady. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up.
Bust it open, break it down. Roll it while we ride it round. Contact, I'm lifting out. And I'm gifted through contact with green thumb now. Fire start up, burn it down. Blaze it while we smell it sound. That bitch caliente now. That's where the Cali, can I get a pound? That's it, my kiss to death. There's a mad by lips on the seal of your breath. Blow my killer kiss, cardiac arrest. I'm a fake when the jack shit hits your chest. Grab the wheel and I'm wasted. Yelling out about that we made it. Like every day, fifth of May faded. Hydrated, no hydrofacial now. All them fools that didn't know me. That before was hot, so I know me. They riding through, trying to roll to this. And I swear by so slowly. Cause I got what you need. What you need. I got what you need. What you need. I got
Cherries, all them berries. Got that red, blue, wonder berry. Milky Way and they with Mary. We stay blazing with First Lady. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. That's how we roll. Light it up. That's how we roll. So I light it up. How we roll. Light it up.
Yeah. Kill a couple brews and I'm in it for the whole damn thing. And I never seen another motherfucker try to do it like a pro. Mad bangs in the neck of a too big, good for nothing hating asshole. I don't give a damn if you got 100 grand, you ain't rolling how we roll. Follow me down. Diamond stars, they get a violent charge. Stand sky high like Cypress are. My name is recognized, you hold me up in high regard. And I could give a flying fuck about designer bars. Cause I'm a killer in the middle like Moni. You ain't feeling real bars, you can go slowly. Spilling sentimental shit, leave a fool lonely. If it's like that, well, you can just blow me, homie. Pause on the last bar, press rewind. Ain't nobody on it like Sassy Grind. I know you might have heard a few new texts of mine. All of this shine got me pressed for time. I've been all type of new places. Seeing so many new faces. Smiling right now is contagious. We rolling and flushing out aces.
Got them cherries.